how to remove featured photos on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove the featured photos on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to remove featured photos on Facebook, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply launch the Facebook app, and if you come to your profile page, then there you'll be able to see maybe a couple of lists of your featured photos collection, right? So just go ahead and then make sure to view that first of all from here. So once you've done that, let's say there are certain featured photos that you would like to hide, so just come back and come to your profile page again. Now here you can see a couple of featured photos. All you have to do to hide it is just tap the three dots option over here. Then once you tap the three dots option, you can simply turn on professional mode, because when you turn on professional mode, the featured section inside that is going to remain hidden. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically remove featured photos on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.